at Hopwood Gear in Oldham, and today we're going to be finding out more about the company and their recent investments. So Cory, thanks for having us here.
Welcome.
Huge machine shop. Wow, what is it you make here?
We make precision engineers, gear products, anything in mechanical engineering, but majority of the things that we're making is for the robotics industry or the defence industry.
And during the pandemic, of course, you've still continued and had an increase in work. So how's that worked?
It's in the environment that we're working in. We're so busy that we just need to keep up with demand. Hence, we've had to spend so much money in the last 3 to 6 months.
Right, and what's increased financially for the business? Because you've had quite an increase in turnover as
Yeah,
well.
we've had a 150% increase in turnover in 2 years. We've gone from 2 million to 4 million just in the last 12 months. It's fantastic, but we need the machines to be able to keep up with the demand.
Yeah, and so what machines have you invested in recently?
Well, we bought the 2 Okuma machines, the lathe and the milling machine, bought the Makino machine, and that was during the pandemic.
Right, and what part have you got here then?
So this is a gear that we're making. We're making almost 2,500 of these a week, so it's quite a high demand, a lot of operations.
And so what was the reason why you purchased the Okumas, and was it to do with the gears and getting parts off in one go?
It was, yeah, we needed to get them off in one go, get them ready so we could sell the things. At the end of the day, if we're not selling them, we ain't making any money.
Absolutely, so we'll find out more about that and the relationship that you've had with NCMT. So as a whole, how would you describe Hopwood Gear?
Well, we're a family-run business. We've been in business since 1974. We're always investing in new technology. We've got all brand new kit in here, 28,000 square foot. We're ready.
Bring it on. Just before you say that as well, is it a Webster Bennett behind you? There's some real hunker chunks of machines.
We've got some
here.
really old machines, but sometimes you need old equipment that can do some big jobs.
Yeah, because you've got some really big parts on there. So what's the dimensions and sizes?
Well, we make everything from this size
up
to 3 metres.
Wow.
So big, heavy, industrial stuff.
So I found out from Cory that he's invested approximately £1 million on new machines. But I wanted to find out about the 3 most recent purchases, 2 Okumas and 1 Makino from NCMT.
One of these machines was the Genus L300 MYW machine. The other one was a vertical machine, which is a Genus M560V 3-axis machine, and they bought a Makino U6 Heat wire EDM machine.
So why did they choose? Because their machine shop is full of different brands. Why did they go to NCMT?
Well, we were very fortunate that Hopwood Gear came to visit our open house events. We had a gear seminar that they came to visit as well. So they really got to see the level of technology that Okuma and Makino present, and saw the quality and the build, power skiving, hobbing, and simultaneous bevel cutting machining. So they really got to see the gear technology side of our business.
But you're famed for your turnkey solutions, but this wasn't one, was it?
No, these were standalone machines. I think what Hopwood Gear really liked was that they got to see the infrastructure as well. So they got to see NCMT as a company, speak to the engineers, and give some reassurance on the backup and service support that we have. When we have 3 centres at NCMT, we have a centre down at Thames Ditton in London, which is the headquarters for the company. Then we have a technical centre and showroom in Coventry, and then we have a local service office, an administration house, which is based in Bury in North Manchester. So we've got local support for them as well, which is very important to Hopwood Gear.
Yeah, that's exactly what Cory's been telling me today. He wants his machines on the shop floor running, and if there was ever an issue, for somebody to be able to come out within 24 hours and help resolve that issue. And I guess that's why he's chosen yourselves.
Yeah, that's what we offer as a business. We have a large infrastructure. Obviously there's a big emphasis on NCMT with engineered turnkey solutions, but just for standalone machines, they really benefit from that infrastructure.
And he purchased these machines because they were in stock and ready to go, right?
Yeah, we had a stock availability of the machines. Okuma Europe in Germany have a wide stock range, so we can respond quickly to the customers' needs. And they also came out to visit the EMO exhibition soon after our open house event, so they was able to see the range of what Okuma and Makino have to offer.
So what does the future hold for you in Hopwood?
Well, we're very methodical in our approach, and what that seems to have worked for Hopwood Gear on these installations, you know, and hopefully in the future we can offer higher end, you know, higher technology machines, multitasking machines, and work in a partnership with Hopwood going forward.